Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad ARFAN bin Muhammad NORDIN, and my student ID is 2022947297, and the supervisor for my FYP is Siti Munirah Nisha binti Muhammad Shafi. And the topic for my FYP is Arabic letter handwriting recognition. Now, for the background of study, Arabic is a language that is written using a unique set of 28 letters, which are written from right to left. Arabic language is a widely spoken Semitic language. Each letter has its own distinct shape. The artistic and complicated ways that letters and words interweave and intertwine to express textual statements. Lastly, learning Arabic letters is a necessary step towards mastering the language. As a beginner, it is critical to learn the names of the letters as well as their various forms. Next is the problem statement. The first problem statement is some letters are very similar and can only be distinguished by the number and position of their dots. Next, it is difficult to distinguish between different handwriting styles of every Arabic letter by its features. Due to high diversity in human handwriting styles and changeable letter shapes corresponding to different spatial localities. Last but not least is for those who are beginners, they might not be able to differentiate the different strokes and the length of certain letters. Okay, for objectives, there are three objectives. First is to identify the features and handwriting styles of every Arabic letters. Next is to design and develop Arabic letter handwriting recognition using a machine learning algorithm that can accurately recognize and classify Arabic letters. Lastly, to evaluate the performance of the model for the Arabic letter handwriting recognition. Okay, for scope, the first scope is the number of Arabic letters to cover is 28 letters. The dataset to be used is composed of 16,800 letters written by 60 participants. The system will be developed through Python using the CNN algorithm. The system is developed to focus more on those who are learning Arabic letters, such as children at young age, and those who are newly converted. For the significance of the study, it is used to assist people in recognizing different types of Arabic letters in reading materials through a system. Next, to be able to avoid misreading or misinterpretation of Arabic letters through their shapes and strokes. It can also benefit those who are starting to learn the Al Quran. By enabling the digital preservation and accessibility of Arabic text, the letter recognition system can help to preserve or promote the cultural heritage of Arabic speaking communities. So now for the literature review. For the literature review, it reviews all the rated works regarding the recognition model. The first criteria is pioneer dataset and recognition of handwritten Pashto characters using convolutional neural networks. The dataset used is HIJA and AHCD dataset. The method used is OCR, which is optical character recognition, and CNN, which is convolutional neural networks. And the results for OCR is 88%, and for CNN is 97% accuracy. Next is convolutional feature learning and CNN-based HMM. HMM is hidden Markov model. For Arabic handwritten recognition, the dataset used is Arabic database of the IFN, and init. The method is CNN-based HMM model, and the model is tested two times, and the accuracy is shown as 88.95% and 89.23% within the same dataset. Next is Arabic handwritten character recognition via multi-scale HOG features and multi-layer. HOG is histogram-oriented gradient. Okay, for the dataset, it also uses the AHCD dataset. And for the method is multi-scale histogram-oriented gradient, which is HOG, features and the deep rule-based classifier, DRB. And for the result, it shows that it obtains 74.61% accuracy. The last related work is Arabic handwritten character recognition using CNN and SVM. It uses a dataset of the AHDB and IFN slash init dataset. And the method used is CNN, K nearest neighbor, KNN, and SVM, which is support vector machine. And the accuracy rate is 98.4% accuracy rate. And for the Arabic handwritten letter recognition model that I will be doing is based on the CNN and SVM related works. Now, for research methodology, the first research objectives is to identify the features and handwriting styles of every Arabic letter. The phases are preliminary study, knowledge gathering and acquisition, data collection, and data pre-processing. In preliminary study, The activities are by reading and understanding articles regarding the methods that are used to implement for Arabic letter recognition. The deliverables are background study, problem statement, research questions, project scope, and significance. Next phase is knowledge gathering and acquisition. In knowledge gathering and acquisition, the activities are gaining knowledge and accumulate the results gained from activities articles on the preferred methods. And deliverables are literature review. Next phase is data collection. The activities are search for Arabic letters dataset and collect data of images of different handwriting styles from different people through Kaggle. Deliverables, data of Arabic letters and images of different handwriting styles. For data preprocessing, the activities is transforming images of different handwriting Arabic letters in the form of text format. The deliverables are processed handwritten Arabic letters. For the next research objective, it is to design Arabic letter handwritten recognition using a machine learning algorithm that can accurately recognize and classify Arabic letters. The phases are knowledge representation, system design, and system development. For knowledge representation, we are adopted a previous research and analyze the steps of conducting the image processing method for Arabic letter images. The deliverable is previous research done by using RNN, LSTM, OCR, hidden Markov, BPNN, SVM, k-nearest neighbor, and CNN. Next is system design. Design a hybrid convolutional neural network and SVM model for image processing. Designing a system to obtain written letters that are drawn live and transformed into text form. The deliverables are system architecture or model of the Arabic letter recognition system and also UI design. Last but not least is the system development. Develop a system for prototype through Python. The deliverables, prototype of the Arabic handwriting letter recognition system. The last research objective is to evaluate the performance of the model for Arabic letter handwritten recognition. The phases are system testing and evaluation and documentation. For system testing and evaluation, the activities are testing the prototype, test the models and compare the accuracy of the methods, test the functionality of the project by prototyping the actual dashboard or interface. The deliverables are testing and result evaluation. Documentation. The activities are writing the report and the deliverables are the final year report. Now, ending the presentation with the Gantt chart. For project planning, it will be done between week 1 to week 4. Research analysis will be done from week 4 to week 9. And research methodology will be done from week 8 to week 12. And data collection will be done from week 10 to week 13. And proposal presentation, which is what I'm doing currently, is from week 13 to week 14. And then during the semester break, it will be the design and implementation of the system. And then when we proceed to CSP 650, the system development will begin from week 1 until the end of week 12. And then in between those weeks, there will also be a draft report, which is from week 9 to week 13. And then documentation will be done from week 11 to week 13. And lastly, the final presentation will be done during week 12 to week 14.